Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable, poofy, curly Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems already attached, or you can attach your own. I have videos linked down below. 10-inch and 6-inch deco mesh, scissors, or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'd like to do is raise all of my stems. Alright, so once you have all of your stems raised, we're going to start placing our mesh. So I have my mesh layered. I'm going to fold it to a nice little point, and I'm going to start on my inner ring. Find a stem, place my mesh, twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And then we're going to make a nice poof and come to my next inner stem and place my mesh. Now the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be. Just depends on how thick and poofy and full you want your wreath to be. You can also measure each poof if you want them completely uniform. And twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And I'm just going to continue repeating this step all the way around the inner ring, and then repeat the same steps on the outer ring. Okay, so I'm making another poof, and I'm coming back to my starting stem, so I'm just going to untwist, place my mesh, and then twist it all back together. And then I'm going to cut away the excess mesh. And then tuck it away. Okay, so this is what the inner ring is looking like. So cute and poofy already. Now I'm going to add more mesh to the outer ring. So I have all of my mesh in place. You can separate each layer of mesh, but this time I'm going to keep them layered one on top of the other because I think it's just so cute and precious. Now I'm going to take my mesh, my red and my white mesh, which I have cut into 8-inch long pieces. And I'm going to roll at a diagonal, the second red at another diagonal. And then my white I'm going to roll at a cute little curl, just like this. I'm going to kind of switch it up like that. Scrunch it. Find my stem. Place my mesh. Twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. I have my white. And I'm adding in a like metallic red along with my matte red. Alright, so I'm just going to continue adding bundles. I'm going with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. You can definitely add more or less, whatever you prefer. And just add each bundle to your stems. And then tuck it away. You can also add ribbon. It's looking so cute and precious already. I'm going to get the rest of my bundles placed and show you the finished product. Alright, so the inner ring is complete. Now I'm going to add mesh to my outer ring. Alright, I'm just like fluffing out and flaring out my poofs. Again, you can separate the layers, but I think the striped layers are just so cute, so I'm going to leave them layered just like that. You can add any additional embellishments, ribbons, sign, bows, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.